A heap overflow or a heap overrun is a type of buffer overflow that occurs in the heap data areas. Heap overflows are exploitable in a different manner to that of stack overflows. Memory on the heap is dynamically allocated by the application at runtime and typically contains program data. Exploitation is performed by corrupting this data in specific ways to cause the application to override internal structures such as linked list pointers. I will now be showing you my demo code. In my code I've created a main program. This main takes in one argument, a character, and an array of arguments. The user password is allocated 16 bytes of memory. To check if the user's password is valid is allocated 2, and if password is correct is allocated 2 as well. First I copy into user valid variable false. I then copy into the user password the argument entered for the program, and then I copy in the correct variable needed for the user to be able to log in. Then I'm printing user valid as well as the user password to help demonstrate how the program runs. So then I compare correct with user valid. If they're the same, then you're logged in. Okay, so user valid is false by default. This is just to demonstrate how a heap overflow can cause incorrect users or unauthorized users to log into a program. Now running the program, I'm using my password as testing with multiple T's. While printing out user valid, we can see that it's false and the user password is printed, but a heap overflow still occurs. By adding more T's bit by bit, we can start seeing that the user valid starts to change. And as I enter enough T's, the user valid is compared and overwritten by the heap and allowing me to log in even though I'm unauthorized to do so.